First time to travel out of the country during the pandemic, and we decided to go to Bangkok, Thailand. We are a family of 4. This trip happened last October 30 to November 4, 2022. Dahil hindi naman kailangan ng visa dito, eto lang ang mga hinanda namin. Passport, dapat valid for 6 months at vaccination record. Hindi kailangang vax-cert or yung yellow card. Nagbaon din kami ng company ID and school ID ng mga bata just in case hanapin. We flew via AirAsia to Don Muang Airport. We paid around 11,300 each for a round-trip airfare. Nagbayad din kami ng travel tax at 1,620 each. May 50 pesos na convenience fee pag sa online ka nagbayad. Kahit may confusion sa departure time namin, awa ng Diyos, nakarating naman kami ng maluwalhati. This is our day 1, October 30. We arrived almost midnight at Don Muang Airport in Bangkok. Nag-arrange kami ng airport pickup for 700 baht dahil ayaw na naming mamroblema ng transportation going to our place of stay. We were picked up by Mr. Pan. Feeling namin very reasonable naman yung price niya at recommended siya ng aming host kaya kabisado niya yung address kung saan kami titira. We stayed in Nuchy's place, a very good find in AirBnB around Wongwian area. We paid a little over 16,000 for 6 days and 5 nights. We're so happy with this place kasi maluwag, malinis, nandun lahat yung mga kailangan namin, maayos din yung restrooms nila, and everything seems to be in its proper order. Sa second floor, merong 2 rooms, so 1 room for the parents and 1 room for the daughters. Air-conditioned din ang kanilang first and second floors. For our dinner, sa katabing convenience store na lang kami bumili ng pagkain. We decided na sa bahay na lang mag-dinner para mas kalma na. Nakaka-happy na after 2 years and even during pandemic, we were able to travel again as a family. Stay tuned for day 2. Thanks for watching!